Hey, and there's a few differences too for the outdoor environment, which is quite marked difference between us being a nature education, a nature kindergarten, to other early learning environments. And as we come outside here, you'll see that the homely feel is still here with this space where loads of books are read. We hang out and have a drink of water together, rehydrate before we come back out to play. And then as we come further out, there's lots of loose parts and different things for them to use in their play. And loads of different paths to take as we come out and explore. And the gardens, the tinkering in. And under the oak tree, where the acorns are falling and the leaves are starting to crisp on the edges, this is a place where loads of us come to top up and refresh ourselves, ready for more play. These little swings and ropes and spaces where they take loose parts into their play. Our environment is intentionally wild, especially as we get further away from Te Manawa. And we can really get to use our imagination of what these spaces will be. Just imagine if you're right down in the grass, imagining all the little creatures that could be there and how we can utilize all these sticks and ropes down through the paths and in with our play, constructing new play spaces with each other outside. So there isn't a playground as such as there might be in another type of early childhood centre. There isn't a regular swing or slide. There is this open space for us to use the ropes, use the tyres to make our own. And there's more cosy spots out here to top up and refresh and fill our hearts in this peaceful space. And this is down the bush track where loads of adventures are taking place. Whether these are logs are turned into motorbikes or boats or new lands, it is all an open palette for the imagination. And this is what we allow in nature education, for all these loose parts to be picked up and played with. These beautiful golden leaves are collected and used in their play. All of these little sticks are collected and turned into all sorts of utensils and counting objects, and it's just endless and absolutely incredible to see how rich their imagination is and how that's utilised within their play. It's a real privilege to see that. So this is a little bit more about how a nature kindergarten is a little bit different from other types of centres in early childhood. Everything's a little bit wild, a little bit not completed, because children have that ownership of their space. They can change it, make plans, work together on their own, and all in their play, learning and growing and being together. Enjoy your day.